Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a stitch that is very common, which is treble in US terminology, and it doesn't require any particular multiple of stitches. You can work on any number of stitches. To begin with, you need to make a foundation chain of so many number of stitches that you require, plus 3 or 4 as per your choice. So to demonstrate this, I'm going to use the Craft Brown Hobby Store Aran 100% premium acrylic anti-pill yarn, which is medium weight 4 and its color code is 2011. Let me make the number of chains required and get back to you. I have chained 10, and to begin the first stitch I need to chain 3 or 4 more, but I am going to chain only 3 so that it gives a little stiffness to the height of the stitch. Actually treble is 4 chain height, but we can work with 3 chain height. Then yarn over twice and 1, 2, 3, 4 in the 5th chain from the hook, that is the 9th chain from the beginning. Start working your first treble. Only then you will have the 10 trebles that you require. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you work from the 4th chain, you will get 1 extra treble. So it's always best to work with when you chain 3, then you work with the 5th chain. Again yarn over twice, insert hook in the next chain, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again yarn over twice, insert in the next chain, pull up the loop. You will have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. So continue the same. Again one more time I will show you. Yarn over twice, insert in the next chain, pick up the loop. You will have 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Like 2 at a time you will wind off. Yarn over twice. So this is the last chain, that is the first chain. I have not done a slip knot. So let us count and see whether I am right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So chain 3 and turn so that the stitch stands erect. If you chain 4, it will sag. And then start working in the second chain from the hook. If you are not counting this, you can start working from the first itself. Then you need not chain 3, you need to chain only 2. Okay, I'll show you that. Yarn over twice. We are not going to consider that chain 2 as a stitch here. So this may appear little thicker, but doesn't matter. It will give a fullness to the product, to the swatch. So continue till the end. So this is how you continue row after row. It's a 1 row repeat. This is how we make the treble crochet, and it is in US terminology. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that as and when we upload new videos, it is notified to you. And for working with this Aran yarn, I use 5 mm Clover Amor hook. Thank you once again friends. Bye for now.